Is Solana on the verge of a breakout? I want to share with you guys in this video my thoughts on Sol. This is a crypto that, quite frankly, I love this market for Solana. I'm going to share with you guys why in this video, give you a couple of reasons why I'm bullish on Solana, and we'll get down into kind of the narrative that is plaguing the overall markets as well. We'll kind of talk some macro as well. So let's get into it. For those of you that are new here, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and join us. And let's look at what Solana is doing right now, because right now a rebound is firmly in question as the Solana price is awaiting a golden cross confirmation. Okay, so as we look at the charts, you can see Solana trading 6 in market cap, still at $146. Now guys, we have some heavy volatility. As we look at the coin market cap, you can kind of see the overall landscape down 4.4%, fear and greed sitting at 53. And the reason why this is relevant, okay, is because this is firmly, in my opinion, now not financial advice, but firmly, in my opinion, kind of situated within this conflict going on between Iran and Israel. Anytime you say the word impeachment, recession, conflict, anything can happen, but that is usually when we see some very bearish activity in the market, okay? But as it relates to kind of what Solana is doing, I want to show you on the trading view kind of what I'm looking at. Because right now we are kind of starting this downtrend, but if you look at Solana's chart and you compare it to other charts out there, it does not stack up the same. This is a crypto that is extremely volatile. I have made a ton of gains, essentially just using my trading indicator, swing trading Solana based on its volatility. Okay, and yes, the windows are kind of narrow, but as you look at kind of what can happen, look at kind of what happened back in September of 2024, okay? That's where we essentially were trading at around $138. And from there, we did flash momentum up, and it took us to the next momentum down 67%, okay, just in an 80-day time period, okay? That's why I love Solana. A lot of people just use it to transact. They use it to trade meme coins. But me personally, guys, I use it as not only that, but I also use it as a very volatile crypto asset that just gives us a lot of opportunities for making some moves out there, okay? As it relates today, we are trading Solana at $146. Me personally, I don't think that we will ever dip below 127. From what we're seeing, there possibly could be a way that we do go down. We are flashing momentum down, but I will tell you guys, once this flashes momentum up, I will be looking to add more Solana. That's kind of where I like to hold it. We'll see kind of what happens, but I think that this is the area that Solana should be trading at, right? Solana is a $200 crypto plus. There's no reason why we should be trading at 146. If we do get back up to $200, that's a quick 25% swing. Right now, I just kind of have my eyes set on Sol because it is just extremely, extremely discounted. As you kind of want to look at the charts, talk about kind of what we have going on, right? At this level, we've done this 3 times, where we have 4 times actually, you could actually call it 5, where we have peaked above this. There's some very strong resistance that is at $186, but I just definitely think that Solana right now, for me, we'll kind of wait for this to flash momentum up, but I think that right now, this is just an extreme buy at these low levels, okay? One of the cryptos I do love at this range, so that's why I'm talking about it, all right? Leave a comment down below. What do you guys think? How are you playing Solana? Do you just transact with it, or is this a buy and hold? But for me, guys, I will be buying more Solana on this dip if this does continue to have these discounted values based upon what's going on in the Middle East. Now, with Solana, we do get the opportunity to trade meme coins, and that's why this discussion is relative, because I do want to bring not a meme coin, but a utility token out there that maybe you guys don't know about by now, but this is Go Arlo, okay? Very early into this one, okay? That's full disclosure. I did buy into Arlo very early. This is where they are an AI agent, okay, but not necessarily the one that we're used to, okay? We see the success that A167 has had, but this is kind of where you look into the narrative here and what they try to do, right? Analyzing token safety, market trends, social sentiment, and more. They are a grant recipient from the Solana Foundation, okay? I think this crypto, as we look at the charts, very early in their infancy, okay? April of 2025 was their TGE. Not a lot of volume, but almost $1 million in market cap. We did go over that a couple times. But I think right now at these levels with just a low holder value and what we're seeing here in this market, it's kind of withstanding. So all of the people that are in Arlo right now are believing long-term. They're holding. Full disclosure, I do hold Arlo. I wanted to share with you guys kind of one of my plays on Sol. So there will be a link down below. Check it out. Also, you can check out their X page, 1,200 followers, and see what they have to offer. As you see a lot of interviews. Had the privilege of looking at or I should say looking, but talking and listening in on one of the main founders of Arlo, the creators, and from there, guys, kind of sold on it. So I'm going to be playing this one out. I did buy in at around a $350,000 market cap. So you know it's at a gain right now. It's not over $1 million, but there's a very strong case to be made for Go Arlo. This could be the next $10 million plus crypto that nobody really knows about, quite frankly, right now. So check them out. Link for the website and X page will be down below in the description, as well as the chart. But back into the conversation we were having. We're looking for this golden cross, okay? This is where we look into Solana was trading at a multi-month low of $140 there on Friday, but the bulls are regaining control, okay? Now, this article, full disclosure, was today, and as we look at the crypto bubbles, you see Solana is down 7%, but it's still a very bullish article to break down because the MACD, as we're looking at it, right, this is where we are on the verge of a golden cross formation that is going to indicate a lot of the sentiment shifting towards upside. When we do have the MACD blue line cross above that orange line, that is where we have a widely regarded bullish momentum signal. And as we look at the charts here on the trading view, if we do get that, that's where it's actually happening right now, guys. That's where I could see this momentum up flashing. That's why I'm a believer at Solana in that 140 territory. So I would be looking to add more Solana at these levels. Now, if Solana goes up, Solana goes to 200. Plays that I have, such as Go Arlo, they will obviously be a direct benefactor of that as well. So if you're betting big on Solana, not longing it, I am not taking out a leverage position on it, but I just think that Solana right now at 140, that's an accumulation range for me. Okay, so we talked about the golden cross a little bit. The only other thing that we have to worry about here is the bulls. Okay. We've seen a lot of whales exit, but I think that as we look for people taking money, taking profits, this is something where we look into the risk of more downward pressure. But it's Solana, guys. It's not going to trade down for too long. This is a volatile crypto. I think that right now we are at the absolute floor that we will be kind of considering the floor for the extended trading period that we are looking at Solana. And that's dating back basically into March of 2023 even, okay? $143 is kind of that benchmark. I know that we did get up almost, $300 for Solana. And I think that right now, guys, 140, that's kind of when I'm approaching it being as one of my top plays right now in the market. So I wanted to take time to share with you guys my thoughts on Sol. Leave a comment down below. Are you buying more Solana? Are you waiting it out? Is it too volatile for you? Is it not an asset that you're targeting? I want to know your thoughts down below in the comments, but I appreciate you guys all tuning in. For those of you that have not done so by now, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and join us. And we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.